Oh, hang on. I want to know when it's done. No. No phone calls. All right, yeah. Agreed. Great. Bye. OK. He's going to be wearing a blue baseball cap.
Well, that'll narrow it down.
And then he'll stop outside to light a cigarette, and that way we know it's done. Look, it's not too late to change your mind. I can call him right back, you know.
Why do I want you to do that?
Hi, Tiger.
Can we make cake?
Oh, yeah, but maybe not today because Mummy has got a lot to get done.
Hey, it's all in hand.
We could have them for tea.
Well, we're having tea at the pub.
I had tea yesterday at the pub.
Yeah, well, you're a lucky girl, aren't you?
I want to make cakes with you.
Well, maybe we can do both.
Promise?
Promise. Mum.
Oh, can I borrow this? Could do with a rom-com. Remind me what I'm missing, both the ROM and the COM.
Jay not delivering.
Well, you'll have to ask him because Moira left it.
No way. Has Cain started watching the Weepies, has he?
Shut up.
Right. OK, we're going to tutoring, and I thought you two would have something better to do with your time. Come on.
Cheers, Bob. Will you look at you?
Look at me, what?
Taming the beast. You will have him eaten out of your hand next.
I assume we're talking about Cain.
Rom-coms.
Oh, I see. Bye, Charity.
Hello, self-service here or what?
Oh, sorry. What can I get you, Charity?
OK, 2 donuts and 2 coffees to take away, please.
Ah, no. We're all out of donuts, I'm afraid. How about a couple of nice cream cakes? Oh, what's the matter with them?
I was hoping for something a bit more masculine. I suppose I'll just have to have what you've got. Oh, hi. You just missed, what's the name you have? Yeah, Moira. Just getting us a snack. Look how thoughtful I am. Bit of stakeout food.
This isn't a game.
Doesn't mean we can't have fun.
Yo, if this backfires on our Debbie...
It will be our fault. So we make sure we don't mess up. And the way we do that is we stop bickering.
Right, that's 6:40, please.
Yep.
Oh, tart.